Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Analyst. Today I'm going to show you all how to install R and set up RStudio. Alright, so let's get started. Uh, Open up one of your favorite browsers and basically type in install RStudio. The first result that you'll get is www.rstudio.com. Click on the link. This will navigate you to the landing page. On the landing page, scroll down a bit and you'll see different versions of RStudio. Alright. We will proceed with the free version. Click on download. When you click on download, we'll come on to this page. Basically, RStudio will tell you that R is necessary before we proceed. Installation of R is necessary. That's step number one. Click on the link to install R. Depending on the OS that you have, you install R either for Linux, Mac, or Windows. Since I'm using Windows 11, I'll click on download R for Windows. Once I click on download R for Windows, I'll come onto this screen. Now, since I'm installing R for the first time, you can click on install R for the first time. There's a link over here. And once you click on it, an executable will be downloaded onto your system, right? You can click on that executable, all right? This is the executable over here. You can click on it in order to start the installation process. Now, a few things to keep in mind is that you require a certain amount of space on your disk, and you also have the ability to install it in any drive that you wish. So the installation process gives you an option to change the path of installation. Other than that, the process is pretty simple and you can move forward with the default settings. After we install R, we go back to the site and proceed to download RStudio. Again, click on download RStudio for Windows since I'm using a Windows machine. Once the download is complete, I'll have an executable that will be present on my system. For most of y'all, you would have this executable downloaded directly into your downloads folder. Double click on the executable to install RStudio. Like the installation of R, again, there are certain requirements with regards to space and where you want to install RStudio. Once it is installed, we can open up RStudio and this is what will be visible. As you can see, there are four panes. The first pane is where you would write your code in an R language. The second pane is your console. All right. You can even navigate to the terminal and view certain jobs. Now the console is where all your output will be present. So you write your code in the first pane and all the output will be present in your console. The third pane is where basically you can see your R environment. Certain variables will be saved over here. For example, say you want to read contents of a file, that contents will be saved in a variable and the contents of those variables will be visible in this environment. I'll be releasing more tutorials so you all can go ahead and check those out to get further understanding. The fourth pane and one of RStudio's best features is where basically you can see an overview of everything. All right. So say for example, you want to see your files. You want to see what plots, all right? When I say plots, it means you write code over here to plot a particular graph. You'll be able to see the plots over here. You can see which packages are installed, and the best of it is the help feature. Now, say for example, you do not know a lot about k nearest neighbors, all right? So you can type in knn, and basically it will give you a whole list of options. When you click on one of those options, you'll get the entire documentation. You don't need to move on to Google and search for anything. R has maintained a long list and very well maintained documentation that you can make use of. Alright, guys, that's it for this session. Thank you so much. Bye bye.